Try one more song. I did Be Prepared. I'm gonna try Hunchback of Notre Dame. Just so you guys know, it's in my headphones, so that's why you can only hear me singing it, not the song. So I'm gonna sing. I hate to do this, but I think I'm good at this one. I think I've mastered it. Hunchback of Notre Dame, Hellfire. This is one of my favorite songs of all time, and I'm gonna try and sing it and see what I sound like. Oh God, why am I torturing myself? I might just post these both on TikTok if I can. Alright, here we go. You won't be able to hear it, only I'll hear it. And I think I did bad with Be Prepared, but this one I think I can do perfectly. So we'll see. Okay, going on the other ear. It's hard doing this with the camera on. I hate to do this, but I'm going to do it because it's something I wanted to try. So I did Be Prepared. This is Hellfire. The best song I love. Here we go. Alright. Now I'll start singing Frollo. Because I loved him in this. Beata Maria, no, I am a righteous man. My virtue I am justly proud. Beata Maria, I am so much purer than the common, vulgar, weak, licentious crowd. Tell me, Maria, why I see her dancing there, why her smoking eyes still scorch my soul. Heal her, I see her, the sun caught in her raven hair, gazing in the outdoor control. Like fire, hellfire, there's fire in my skin, this burning desire is turning me to sin. Not my fault, not to blame. This is a gypsy witch who set this flame. It's not my fault. In God's plan, He'd make the devil so much stronger than a man. Get me, Maria. Let the siren cast her spell, but let her sear my flesh and bone. Joy Esmeralda, let her taste the fires of hell. I'm mine and mine alone. What? How Never mind. Get out, you idiot! I'll find her. I'll find her for the burn down all of Paris. Fire. Like fire. See, it's your turn. Choose me or your fire. I know you will burn. Have mercy on her. Have mercy on me. You will be mine, or she will burn. Okay, nervous about the reviews, but I think I did pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I did amazing, right? I couldn't have been that bad. There's no way I watched this and I'm not bad. I take that back. Do not quote that in the comments! Oh, God! this was something I wanted to do. Oh god. I'm gonna regret this hugely. I can't even look at the camera anymore.